Good morning, student. How are you today? Fine. Okay. Today we will learn about Standard 7, Unit 2, Step by Step, Activity 6. Make a lemon sherbet. Today we have to make a lemon sherbet. So we need a lemon. You can see this is I have a lemon. Okay, and a knife. This is knife to cut the lemon. And this is a sugar to make it sweet, and also this is a salt, and I have 2 glass and water. First what we have to do, okay, we have to first pour some water in the glass. I poured some water in the glass, okay. Then in second, cut the lemon into half. Cut the lemon into half. I cut it slowly. We have to care about to cut. Okay. Now we 2 half. These are the 2 half of lemon. Okay. You can see. Now we have to squeeze each of half in the glass. Squeeze. I squeeze it. You can see. Okay. Totally squeeze. Slowly, and also second half squeeze. Okay. Now take the seeds. We have to take the seeds out of the glass. These are the seeds we have to take out of the glass. Okay. This is a one seeds. You can see I take out of the glass. Okay. Now add a 1 spoon. I add 2 spoon. You can add you what? Okay. I add 1 here and 1 here spoon in the glass. Okay. Now I add also some salt to make it tasty. Okay. Okay, some, not more. Okay. Now mix it well. I mix it well. Now this our lemon sherbet is ready. You can also make it in your home. Okay. You can take it. Now you can make your lemon sherbet easily. Okay. तो मित्रों आ रीतना તમે તમારો લીંબુ શરબત કે સરળતાથી બનાવી શકો છો. જો તમને મારો આ વિડિયો પસંદ આવ્યો હોય તો એને લાઈક, શેર અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. ઓકે, બાય.